Hello world! So many people say that what they feel for someone is real, but what do their behaviors actually reveal when they are capable of intentionally hurting them? If they are willing to betray or discard the person that they say they love, did they ever really love them? How do you know the difference between real love and desire? Real love is not something that you can just walk away from any more than a starving person could walk away from food. It's a pull, a tugging of your heart so deep that you feel that if you walk away, you would stop breathing. It's not about dependency or anxious attachment. It's about always wanting a connection that feels so safe and good that you couldn't imagine your life without them. It's an overwhelming desire to be able to give your love to someone that is so deserving and wonderful that to not be able to be there for them would devastate you. When it's real, you don't think selfishly about what they can do for you. You live for how you can show up for each other and care deeply about how you want to make them feel. Real love is more precious than anything, and when you really appreciate it, you hold on to it. By Joel Clemons. The last time wherein Simone attended an event, in here we can see and feel in his emotions on how precious he was happy. It was genuinely written in his eyes that we see the spark that he is satisfied on the outcome of his hard work in the fashion world. He truly built his name in the fashion industry. This day, Simone visited his aesthetic hospital. It's a good news. By Rizzoli New York Magazine, it said that Bellissimo Michele Moron by Dolce & Gabbana, new unpublished and unveiled photos of a rising star from a Dolce & Gabbana campaign to a darling of the new Hollywood. Just as model David Gandhi ignited his career in Dolce & Gabbana's iconic light blue perfume campaign, now the actor, musician and painter Michele Morone has captured the world's attention as both fashion luminary and a fast-rising star in international cinema. Morone turned heads as the protagonist of Dolce & Gabbana's Spring 2023 eyewear advertising campaign while starting the same year alongside with Katy Perry in a commercial for the Devotion perfume shot in Capri by Paolo Sorrentino. Michele gained global recognition in the movie 365 Days and its sequel on Netflix and featured alongside Anthony Hopkins in the highly anticipated biopic Maserati the Brothers directed by Bobby Moresco. This monograph recounts the success of an incredible star through a series of unpublished images made specifically for this project, which celebrates Michele's already considerable fame as an actor and a romantic symbol for our time. Take note of it that the published date of the hard copy will be on September 23, 2025. We know you want to take some more rest for your health, but wait a minute, where will you be heading this time? Wow! So lovely and beautiful. It's simple, but the elegance was there. The best that catch our attention is the nature feel and the wide space that is good to roaming around. You deserve it, Michele, on this new house of yours. Yeah. We all know you are so overwhelmed on how your great achievement, Michele, that you fulfill one of your dreams as you have a new big house, and especially your family is at your side when you are reaching your dream.
Getting old. Not too bad. Not too bad. I mean,
Brando, are you ready? I know you are excited for this day. Why you're so cute and handsome like your papa and mama. It's a great bright day to the family of Michele. Look at their bonding time. First and foremost, the overjoy will be felt by the kids when family is complete. We can feel the energy, the adrenaline of Brando on how he pedal his bike. He give his best adventurous shot. Yes, go 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 Brando, you can do it, you can do it. I do agree with you, Michele. Family is always forever. Treasure it for a lifetime. It's so touching, Michele, to see these photos of yours together with your mom and dad. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 95 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Socializing is extremely important for us to feel balanced and to get our emotional needs met, like the needs for connection, safety, love, and acceptance. However, some people feel recharged from spending quality time with others, and some people start to feel overwhelmed and energetically depleted from having to stay too present in the moment, especially in groups or from having too much attention on themselves. If you know someone that is more introverted but you really want to spend time with them and have more connection, try to understand that they want to spend time with you, but they have to balance their energy with downtime or doing things that are fun but not socially overstimulating. Introverts spend a lot of time in their own heads, and being pulled out of the requires effort, energy, and focus, which can be tiring. So when you don't get offended or take it personally, then it builds trust, safety, and understanding, which creates a deeper connection. And introverts deeply care about their relationship and are very loyal to the people that they choose to bond with and bring into their small circle. By Joel Clemons.